Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to share SnapTube downloads on Snapchat. This is when you've downloaded videos, music on SnapTube and you want to share it to your friends on Snapchat. First you'll need to open your SnapTube application. Then at the bottom you're going to click on the word play. Then here are the downloads. Let's choose one of these by clicking on the three dots of the video, this one. Then let's click on share. Then let's click on more. Copy the link. Then go back. Click on Snapchat. Click on the profile. Then let's click on my friends. Here are my friends. These are the friends we have. Let's click on one of them. We are going to send the link as a message. Here is the link, but we need to click on message part, send, place and hold, then click on the word paste. You need to click on the send icon here and the link will be sent to this friend. Guys, that's how you can send or that's how you can share the SnapTube downloads on Snapchat. And that's all for today. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.